Hey, sir, we don't need you in your video. You can get in your vehicle and leave the scene, or I can place you under arrest. Here's your last warning.
Okay.
So get to walking.
I think I told you I watched the video and he didn't do anything.
He told me to stop filming.
Come on, get out of my office. Come on. You better get out or you're gonna go to jail. Get out.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by a viewer named James Burke. James witnessed a motor vehicle collision in front of his home in Cullman, Alabama. James quickly rushed to the scene, but upon his arrival, he noticed that multiple citizens had stopped to help the Alabama State Police troopers that had responded to the call. Noting the crowded situation and his inability to assist his neighbor, he began filming the scene in an effort to preserve evidence for their case.
Hey, sir, we don't need you in your video. If you will, step back there, okay?
Okay, what's your name and
Don't worry about it right now.
Okay, good.
Deputy Lieutenant Cook refuses to identify himself as a uniformed officer of the Cullman County Sheriff's Office to an inquiring member of the public, telling James that he needs to, quote, step back there. James does one better and retreats across the street to continue filming. Now, a clearly safe distance away from the scene, certainly more safe than these individuals, Lieutenant Cook tells Alabama State Trooper Davidson to stop James.
How you doing, sir?
Doing okay, how are you?
Hey, Alabama State Trooper, can I help you?
No, I'm just exercising my First Amendment right.
Okay, well here's your warning. You can get in your vehicle and leave the scene, or I can place you under arrest.
I live right there.
Okay, I need you to take your phone and move it on. There's people being hurt right here. I need you to go on, okay? You understand?
Okay. Can I get your name?
It's right here, and here's your last warning.
Okay.
So get to walking.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Get to going.
I'm going.
Let's go. Move faster.
I got a bad back.
Okay, well, I gotta work a crash scene and you're impeding it. I need you to go on.
I'm all the way across the street.
Okay, well, film from your house then. Thank you.
While impeding an investigation and obstructing an officer are certainly crimes in Alabama, the officer likely doesn't know the contents of the laws, or could be purposefully misinterpreting them to remove James from the area. Impeding is specific to providing a false identity to avoid summons, arrest, or prosecution, whereas a person commits the crime of obstructing government operations if, by means of intimidation, physical force, or interference, or by any other independently unlawful act, he intentionally obstructs, impairs, or hinders the administration of law or other governmental function, or intentionally prevents a public servant from performing a governmental function. James never intimidated anyone, nor did he use physical force, and filming is a clearly established right of the people. No one wants any of the vehicle's passengers to suffer injury, especially James. After all, they're his neighbor. The only obstruction that took place here was the Alabama State Police troopers preventing a law-abiding citizen from conducting a constitutionally protected activity in the interest of his neighbor's welfare by threatening to arrest him. James attempted to meet with the local sheriff, Matt Gentry of Cullman County, on multiple occasions and has been routinely prevented from being heard. However, on one occasion, Deputy Captain Blackwood agreed to hear him out.
I'd like to file a formal complaint against the captain, Lieutenant Cook. I talked to you about a couple months ago.
Okay. I don't remember. What's your name?
Okay, it's James Burke.
Okay, come on back.
Is Matt in today?
Sorry?
Matt? Gentry? He goes to the same church as my dad,
Yeah,
so.
he's sheriff. I don't know if he's in today.
Yeah, he goes to the same church as Woody Jacobs and, this is my dad, of course, I'm talking about.
No.
So you did see the video then?
Sir?
You did see the video that I posted on my Facebook then? I know the people up in...
About the wreck?
How you doing?
About the wreck?
About the wreck, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I remember. Yeah.
And I
didn't
got...
recognize you with the mask on.
Right, well, yeah, I just got diagnosed with COPD and I got my 2 shots, but humans make mistakes and viruses don't, so that's why I got to continue to... he just treated me rudely. I mean, I don't have a right to film, and I wasn't impeding anything.
Well, I think I told you I watched the video and he didn't do anything.
He told me to stop filming.
Huh?
He told me to stop filming. That's violating my right. My First Amendment right.
Wreck scene.
Yeah, I was at a wreck scene. Right across the street from where I was living.
And he told you to go across the street, and that's what you did.
He didn't tell me to cross the street.
You're done.
He said to stop filming.
Let's go. Come on, get out of my office. Come on. I done told you. I done.
So when is Matt going to be in here?
I done watched. I don't care if you video it or not. You got a right to. I don't care.
I know I have a right to, and I have a right to press
I got a right
charges.
to get you out of my office.
I mean, I'm already going up to Decatur to press charges against that
Don't come
that Davidson.
back. Unless you got a different problem.
Well, I'll come in here anytime I want.
If you got a different
And
problem.
When I go see
Out.
Matt, does Matt go to church yet?
Get out. You better get out or you're going to go to jail. Get out.
For what?
Huh? For failure to obey a police officer. Now get out.
Okay.
Get out.
Okay, thank you. You have a great day.
Get out.
Most would argue that the order to get out is not a lawful order. The manner in which these officers have treated James throughout the situation is embarrassing and un-American. Each officer became more rude than the next, all because James had the audacity to practice a constitutionally protected activity, while Lieutenant Cook had a body cam on his person during the incident. There's no guarantee that it was rolling, and aside from that, law enforcement agencies have been known to purposefully hide body cam videos, block their release through bureaucratic nonsense, or charge exorbitant amounts of money to receive an overly redacted copy. Filming your incidents ensures that the video is saved, available, and free. James's channel is linked below if you'd like to pay him a visit. If you do, let him know that I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Membership start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below. On October 28th of 1943, something strange happened to the USS Eldridge. Something that allegedly changed our understanding of space, time, and the fundamental laws of physics. Today, we know this event as the Philadelphia Experiment, and it has been the subject of fierce debate among paranormal researchers. As you might expect, the incident has also been subject to equally fierce denials from the US Navy.